So in your computer, first open Microsoft Word, and after that you can try this method. That is, you must type here 1D4BB. Just type like this, and after that you must press these two keys, Alt key and S key. You must press these two keys at the same time. Then you can see that the cursive B or small script B in English alphabet you can see we have created here. Another method is in your computer, if your num lock is off, you must turn on your number lock. Then you must press and hold this Alt key. Don't remove your finger from this Alt key. At the same time, you must type here 119995. After typing that, you must release your finger from this Alt key. And you can see that this letter have been created here. For more videos, subscribe. Thank you.